The broken window theory, proposed by social scientists James Q. Wilson and George L. Kelling in 1982, suggests that visible signs of disorder and neglect in a neighborhood can lead to increased crime rates and urban decay. The theory is based on the idea that these signs signal to potential offenders that the area is not monitored or cared for, creating an environment conducive to criminal behavior. The theory's name comes from the example of a broken window in a building. If the broken window is not promptly repaired, it sends a message that no one cares about the property. This can lead to more windows being broken and further deterioration of the building. Similarly, if minor crimes like graffiti or vandalism are ignored, they can escalate into more serious crimes. The broken window theory has been influential in shaping policing strategies, particularly in the concept of order maintenance policing, which focuses on addressing minor infractions to prevent more serious crimes. Critics argue that the theory oversimplifies the complex causes of crime and can lead to overly aggressive policing in some communities. Please like, share, and subscribe.